Accidents happen in seconds, and the best dash cams don't just record them, they protect you from the unexpected. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best dash cams of 2025, featuring crystal clear 4K video, GPS tracking, and next-gen night vision. If you're new here and love honest product reviews and top 5 gadget picks that actually help you buy smart, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a video. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below, feel free to check them out. Number 1. DDPAI Z60 Pro. The DDPAI Z60 Pro brings a new level of performance for 2025. It records in true 4K resolution using the Sony STARVIS 2i/MX678 sensor, delivering unmatched clarity day or night. It supports front and rear cameras, 5G HZ Wi-Fi, built-in GPS, and ADAS driver assistance for lane and collision alerts. Product reviews. Drivers love its crystal clear 4K image, fast mobile app connectivity, and accurate GPS tracking. Reviewers highlight its smooth low-light recording and modern, compact design. Pros: 4K front plus rear recording with Sony STARVIS 2 sensor. Built-in GPS and ADAS safety alerts. 5G HZ Wi-Fi for faster video transfer. Excellent night vision and detail capture. If you want the most advanced dual dash cam setup of 2025, the DDPAI Z60 Pro delivers professional-grade protection and performance. Number 2. KAWA D11. Next up, the KAWA D11 is an impressive 4K front and rear dash cam that uses AIISP color night vision technology for incredible clarity, even in pitch darkness. It features Sony STARVIS sensors, built-in GPS, and dual Wi-Fi connectivity for easy access through its mobile app. Product reviews. Users love its accurate color reproduction, fast app interface, and premium construction. It's one of the most consistent performers for both day and night recording. Pros: 4K front and rear cameras with HDR color night vision. Built-in GPS and 5G HZ Wi-Fi. Sony STARVIS sensors for better image processing. AIISP color optimization for true-to-life footage. The KAWA D11 is perfect for drivers who want reliable, high-end video quality and smart AI-powered safety features in one elegant package. Number 3. Vantrue E1 Pro. The Vantrue E1 Pro packs big features into a compact design. It records in 4K HDR using a STARVIS 2 sensor with plate pix technology, ensuring every license plate and road detail is captured clearly. It supports 5G HZ Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, and up to 1 TB of storage, perfect for long-distance drivers. Product reviews. Reviewers rave about its sharp 4K clarity, minimalist size, and fast file transfer speeds. The HDR night vision performance also gets top marks. Pros: 4K HDR video with STARVIS 2 sensor. Compact, discreet design. GPS plus Wi-Fi for easy playback and tracking. Supports up to 1 TB microSD storage. The Vantrue E1 Pro is ideal for drivers who want a compact yet powerful dashcam with premium recording quality and huge storage flexibility. Number 4. Vantrue E1 Lite. The Vantrue E1 Lite offers solid performance at a budget-friendly price. It records in full HD 1080p, supports voice control, Wi-Fi app connection, and 24-hour parking monitoring for round-the-clock protection. Product reviews. Users highlight its easy-to-use interface, responsive voice control, and dependable parking surveillance. It's praised for being one of the most reliable budget dash cams in 2025. Pros: full HD 1080p video quality. Voice control and mobile app support. 24-hour parking mode. Supports up to 512 GB storage. If you're looking for a compact and affordable dashcam that still delivers reliable performance, the Vantrue E1 Lite is a great pick. Number 5. LINGDU V620. The LINGDU V620 features 4K front and 1080p rear recording with a 2.4-inch IPS display, Wi-Fi connectivity, and WDR night vision. It even includes GPS tracking and parking monitoring, all at an affordable price. Product reviews. Drivers appreciate its clear night video, stable Wi-Fi app, and great overall value for a dual camera system. Pros: 4K plus 1080p dual channel recording. WDR night vision and GPS tracking. Built-in Wi-Fi and mobile control. Affordable and user-friendly. The LINGDU V620 is a well-balanced, cost-effective dual dash cam setup that gives you full coverage and strong video quality for everyday use. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best dash cams of 2025. Whether you're after 4K clarity, advanced night vision, or simple plug-and-play reliability, there's a perfect choice here for your car. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell us in the comments which dash cam you'd choose for your ride. Thanks for watching and stay safe on the road.